Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to add a C drive shortcut to File Explorer in the navigation pane. So when you open up File Explorer, if you have it set to open to home, you'll notice you have your other drives in your CD-ROM drive, but to get to your C drive you have to expand this PC. For some reason, not sure why they don't just give you a quick shortcut down here for your C drive. So we're going to show you how to add one to File Explorer in the navigation pane. So I guess it'll probably save you a second or two, but it may come in handy. Alright, so to do so, we're going to do a registry edit. So I have a file here to add it to the top, to the bottom, and then remove it. So here's what they do. This is the one for the top, bottom, and then to remove it. Alright, so to do this, we're going to double click whichever one we want here. Let's put it on the top. So we'll say yes to the UAC prompt. So you'll need to be an administrator to do this. And then this is just telling you that it's adding the contents of the registry file to the registry. And then OK. Now we open File Explorer again. Now we have our C drive shortcut right up here. And then of course you could still get to it from here as well. And then of course you could add the other option here to add it to the bottom. So let's try that one out. Let's remove it from the top here. Add it to the bottom. So there's what it looks like on the bottom. So you'll still have it under this PC, but then you won't have to expand this PC to get to it. And then like I said, if you want to remove it, just come back and run the remove file. Go through the same process. Now you're back to normal. Alright, so I'll put a link in the description where you could download these 3 files and you could try it out for yourself. Alright, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.